मतलब नहीं दे रहे शिल्पा जी सेंटर में। हाँ ब्यूटीफुल। क्या पर मैडम? यहाँ पर शिल्पा जी। थैंक यू शिल्पा जी। बाय बाय मैडम। थैंक यू मैम। Yes, office. Yeah, look here, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Bye. हाँ बहुत जरूरी है। Thank you. चल चल।
Thank you, Shilpa. Let's get our chairs back in. We're now going to go back to our panel. I am going to ask Shilpa the next question. So, Shilpa, being a mother yourself, how important is it for you to personally read labels before allowing your kids to eat a product?
Anyone who's a mother will understand how I feel as a mom, and I think my children's health is of topmost priority. It's uncompromisable, and considering I practice and preach a healthy lifestyle, I want to also inculcate the same habits in my children, and it has to, while we can tell them that इसे खाओ इसे मत खाओ, क्यों नहीं खाना चाहिए इसका भी पता होना चाहिए बच्चों को बचपन से. So my son knows. So now when he picks up something, he'll first read the back. So label reading is so important. Yes, it's important to know what you're feeding your child, because you are what you eat. And if you want a healthy future for your child, not just physically but also mentally, you have to feed them the right stuff. And hence I choose, and the choice is really ours. It's always the choice that we make. So it's important for their health and well-being.
Absolutely, and I completely concur with everything that Shilpa just said. Bhuman, I'm going to now come to you. What makes the Wicked Good cup noodles better for you than all the others?
Well, firstly, it's wicked taste and good ingredients, so that terminology stays.
ये अंदर से मतलब फूट के वेट कर रहा था कि ये कब मैं ये लाइन मारूं.
So yeah.
वापस बोल. Say it again. Come on, Boomer.
Later. Next category. No, I think it's made out of whole wheat, 100% whole wheat. Unlike most of the brands out there, which are 100% maida. Second, so every noodle is deep fried in palm oil, which is probably the lowest grade of oil. You should never feed it to your children. This is made with rice bran oil, so the saturated fat is significantly lower. And of course, because of the atta, it's way healthier than whatever is available. And of course, there is no MSG, there is no harmful chemical in the seasoning which sort of screws up either the metabolism or the overall understanding in a child. So for your children, we will only bring products which we can feed to our own children. So it's very, very clear. That's the overall terminology, and that's what we've also tried to inculcate in the cup noodles out there. And most importantly, the price is only 60 rupees for one cup. So we've tried to make it affordable for Indian households. And if you go to your nearest stores or even on the Instamart platform, you'll get it for 30 rupees to begin with. So that's something that we're going to do from our end, so that we can try to create a buzz around with this product, which we believe is way, way, way healthier than any of the other brands out there in the category.
Awesome. Thank you. Aarti, I'm going to now ask you the next question. Can you share any personal experiences or anecdotes about how Wicked Good has made it easier for you to maintain a healthy diet for you and your family?
So I've always been a fitness enthusiast, and I truly believe that you're going to eat what is in your pantry, right? So I've always tried to stock good, healthy stuff in my pantry. But I live in a huge joint family, and so I have a teenager now. But growing up, ever since she was little, she was insanely fond of a very famous legacy brand. I can name it. Like, she was insanely fond of Maggie, and it used to break my heart whenever I had to give her. So we had made this pact that one Maggie per month, right? And she would consume it on the first of the month, right? And by 15, she's going to be like, please, she would go to her dadi or baba and like, please let me have one more. And how elders go, like, kya farak padta hai, ek aur kha legi to. And I used to feel so dejected. And, but now, I don't stock Maggie anymore. I only stock Wicked Good. So even if she wants to sort of have it, like, once or twice a month or thrice a month, it's okay, because I know that those ingredients are healthy. There's no mom guilt associated with it while I'm serving, because when you're serving a plate of food also, the emotions you're serving it with really play a big role in what that food does to you. I'm a big believer of that. So if I'm going to serve a plate of Maggie with like very negative emotions in it, then that's not going to do good to that to my child either, right? So thank you, Wicked Good, for this. And I really want to actually congratulate this partnership also, right? Like, because it's so important for not just the product to be there, but for it to be available to every mom as well, right? So if I can get it in 10 minutes, that's going to be fantastic.
Let me say, Wicked Story and Good Family.
ये अभी बनाया आपने?
He's not going to leave any excuse to plug it in.
Okay, Pani, moving on to you. The question is similar to the previous one, but now that Shilpa's here, you can answer it again. Have you seen an increase in customers moving towards better for you food options in general?
Yeah, as I was saying a little bit earlier as well, right? I think there is a fundamental shift, at least for all the users that we cater to, which is still the top 100 million, where consumers are necessarily looking for better for you options to start with, I think, right? And so even in Swiggy, for example, we had a platform called Insanely Good. The entire premise of the platform was saying, how can we curate the best across the breadth of the country to make it available to consumers? And the first things people are looking, whether we write no palm oil and no maida versus you don't write it, has like, I don't know, 5x probably difference in terms of conversion of consumers actually choosing the product, because everyone's looking for it. I think maybe it was already inherently there. There's an age of information where, the likes of Shilpa actually talking about it, you talking about it, people are actively looking for it, but the access has also now become easier through platforms like ours. And therefore the traction, as I was saying, right, like I think we would have sold 2 million sugar-free desserts last year. I think last year was the year of millets as well. Like there was, I don't know, driven by our government, I think 150% increase in people looking for. So it's just fundamentally people are getting information, they want to eat healthy, and to be honest, it's just amazing for us to at least provide it to users, as she said, in 10 minutes, right? Actually, here you'll probably get it in 5 because our dark store is next to it. But I was just walking by the dark store.
That's awesome, because honestly, as a consumer, when I come onto your platform, the first thing I type is gluten-free, refined sugar-free, hoping that I get those options correctly, especially during play dates when I haven't planned something. And it's honestly not just for my kids anymore. It is the fact that after I became a mum is when I became more conscious of what my kids are eating, in turn more conscious of what my entire family consumes. And because of that, I think there's been this huge shift now in everything that we eat in our house. We're not extremists. The kids are allowed their junk occasionally, but it's definitely not something I'm going to give my children willingly every single day. And like you said, I don't think any mother would ever want to do that.
Yeah, I just want to add, right? I think there is this obviously notion that something which tastes really good is like not going back to the wicked taste good ingredients. But we were just having some products before, and I think he's taken some inspiration from legacy brands. But I mean, the taste is probably better than It's not like, hey, I have to actually sacrifice the taste in any way. Correct,
Absolutely.
right? And that's just fantastic.
Correct.
Actually, the USP of the product that you don't have to sacrifice the taste.
Your kids don't even know that you're feeding them chickpeas, oats, and lentils in their pasta.
So true.
We're being wicked at that time. And they're being good by eating it. Here we are, banana.
I hope all of us have given the plug enough.
No, I think so. There was this ad, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, when sliced cheese was launched in India. I don't know the young people, but yeah. I think it was one slice of cheese equals one glass of milk. Because that's how they're trying to promote it. So similarly, and I'm not kidding, you can check the macros at the back of pack. 1 cup of noodle or 1 pack of instant noodles or 1 pack of our pasta is actually the same macros as an average Indian meal. Why? Because it's made out of dal, chawal, chana, atta, oats, and millets, the basic constituents of an average Indian meal. So when there is a conflict at home between parents, kids, in fact, kids have now become smarter. Yahi do na, yahi to hai, aap dal chawal de do, yahi to de do. Same thing. So I think that really, that really shaped this entire category, and more importantly, the taste, right? So as an entrepreneur, we go with this philosophy. If you've launched the perfect product, you've launched too late. You've lost the plot. So there's a constant improvement in your product. So the first instant noodle we launched in the market, and Aarti would probably know, it was very different than what's currently available. So every run we do, we try to become 1% or 2% better than the earlier run. It's only that, take consumer feedback, understand, because look, Maggi, Nestle, HUL, these companies were built in 100 years. We've been 2 years and 3 months in running. So obviously we're going to falter, we're going to make mistakes, but it's more important of how you stand up and run again. And I think that's, sums my entrepreneurial journey in the last 2.5 years.
No, I can vouch for the innovation bit because I've tried the good, the bad, and the ugly products as well, right? So he's constantly innovating in terms of taste, and I'm sure you're going to keep it up as well, right? There's always scope for improvement, but this product is bang on.
Shilpa, coming back to you. This is, I think, every working mother's struggle, and that is, how do you balance your busy schedule with ensuring that your family eats nutritional food as well while you're out at work?
Well, I'm the one that's doing all the ordering.
True?
I could be anywhere. Yes, I'm still a homemaker first, a mom first, a wife when I'm at home, and it's always my stressor that, oh my God, have my kids eaten their tiffin? I'm not there at home to check it, but I have proof. Do you have my phone right now, Anishi? So this is what I do, letting out some secrets. So what I do is I get to know exactly how much my child has eaten and what he's eaten through photographs. This is what comes to me.
Too good!
दीदी वियान ने इतना खाया आज दीदी आज उसने छोड़ दिया खाना दीदी कल से ये नहीं भेजेंगे. So I have photographs of foods that go in his tiffin on an everyday basis, and the same with my daughter. I know exactly what's going to school. I know what she's eating at snack time. I've made a timetable, and it's a fortnightly timetable so that the foods don't get repeated. And I remember when I invest, or even if I am endorsing, if I'm leveraging my name to a brand, I do a little bit of due diligence. I first take the product. First, I label read. That's the first stage. And then after that, and also, while we're paying emphasis today only on talking about how moms have to take cognizance and, make sure that, kids are eating healthy and all of that. This is not just about the kids, this is also for the moms to be healthy, or the women to be healthy. Do you all know that label reading is actually the easiest way to lose weight also? Because you know the nutrients at the back of the pack. You know exactly what you want, how much you want, and what you need to omit. Like, high sugar foods, sodium, how much fiber you want in your food, how much protein there is in, in a noodle packet or a cup of noodles. So yeah, I just think that you have to be aware, and that is extremely important. The rest just falls into place. If you're just living and eating in awareness, half your battle is won there.
So true. Like I said, I personally, every mother I know reads labels. It's just what we do, and Food Farmer has...
Now, in the last, I think, 2 years.
I started reading labels from the time I became a mom.
Yeah, so did I. I started reading labels much before. While I'm married to a Punjabi. I'm married to a Punjabi, and my in-laws are like, ये gluten free, sugar free, ये free, वो free. ये तो मुझे free में भी देंगे तो भी नहीं खाऊं. But I was anal. Cereals laden with sugar. My nieces were eating them. This is before I had kids, and I remember being vociferous about it back in the day, because my sister-in-law used to live with us and her kids were with us, and their kids are my kids, And I'd be like, I would never feed my child this. Just look at the sugar content. So I'd be like, just look at the sugar content, 60 grams of sugar. I'd be like hyperventilating. And today now people are becoming more aware and, understanding the importance of what is going into one system. I feel so proud of a brand like Wicked Good. At least it's a step in the right direction. Make that effort. If we have made the effort to bring you a product like this, now it's time for you to make the effort to accept and, include a product like this in your essentials. And that's all I have to say.
That's the line of the day, guys.
Really.
That is the line of the day, because that is so important that these products exist. It's up to you to make the switch, right? And that's going to stay with me. And that's something I'm going to be using a lot, Shilpa. That's the line. Great.
Pay me royalty.
Okay, now the floor is open to you guys. Is there any questions that you have for anyone here on the panel today? Anyone has a question?
I think we've answered all their questions.
Okay, amazing. So now, no questions? No questions.
I have my son's teacher in the crowd, by the way, right now. I just noticed that's Vedika Miss. She's my son's humanities teacher. Yeah. How naughty is he? So there was a splash event today in school. You don't know how I made it. So I literally was half in hair and makeup, and I rushed. And before he jumped into the pool, I was there. I was like, yeah! He went into the pool. I saw that one race and I ran out. I've been all over the place. Wickedly good though today.
Amazing. Well, now that you've heard so much about the new product that's been launched, I request the team to please start serving our guests all these yummy, yummy, better for you noodles. And once you guys try them, I request all of you to come sign one of these cups right here on this wall and leave your review. But let's start the reviews with Shilpa. Shilpa, can I please request you?
अरे भाई बैठे रहो अभी.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, so pictures first. Shilpa will sign the cup later.
अरे यार एक से काम करना ही नहीं चाहते, फिर आगे जाना.
I'm just looking out in the.
So thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
पता नहीं
घर पे जाके पक जाएगा.
पता नहीं उसको बाहर हीट
Canada, you go through next year is
कौन है भाई? ए गिम्बल.
भाई अब सब साइड में हो जाओ, सब साइड में लग जाओ सर, अब सब साइड में हो जाओ.
ओ गिम्बल. ओ भाई तू ले नहीं है खाली. शिल्पा जी टॉप एंगल पे. हाँ इधर हूँ. और देख सब सेल्फी. हाँ सेल्फी. मचाने लगे. अरे ओ व्हाइट शर्ट. ओ भाई ए नीचे ले कैमरा. ओए भाई ए मोबाइल नीचे ले.
सर बहुत जगह
ए मोबाइल नीचे ले.
पीछे सब पीछे गाइस पीछे यस ब्यूटीफुल lovely thank you
everyone meet it, so they have to tell them